5 seconds to go. Start. In the sixth 5 year plan, probably about rupees 30,000 crores are to go. Out of these rupees 30,000 crores, rupees 10,000 crores is going to be probably on the import of the equipment. Are we not going to discuss it? Are we going in for Jaguars or Mirages? Or are we going to have a long term policy? I would like to place on the table of the house today a book brought out, I do not know by whom, on the Indian Air Force on the occasion of its Golden Jubilee. The Chief of Air Staff has given the foreword to it. It has advertisements of Jaguars on its front and back pages. It has an aircraft advertisement on the first page. It shows various forces. It shows pulls and pressures which the Indian Air Force and the Defense Ministry are going through every day. But what I want to say is that this book contains, as per the Defense Ministry, a lot of secrets. This book says that there are so many helicopters, so many missile squadrons. This book is giving an account of which squadron is where. There are photographs of our airfields in India. There are photographs of our aircrafts. I would like you to see this book. These are all supposed to be secret documents. They have been compiled. I want to go to some other topics. So I am not going to speak about it now, but I am placing it on the table of the house. After recess, I shall take on this matter in detail. I would like to say that rupees 6,000 crores budget will be spent this year. 3 years back, our budget was rupees 3,600 crores, and now it is rupees 6,000 crores, which means the budget has gone up by nearly 50% in the last 3 years. It is a welcome thing and it is required. But what I am saying is that in spite of the money going up double fold, the money which should go towards the armed forces service conditions is not going there. What we require today is the consolidation of the armed forces. We are buying the equipment at a fast rate, but there is no consolidation. With this money, I think our first task should be the consolidation. In our bases, our members in the armed forces are not happy. Hardly 10% have got accommodation. Let us put our money in this area. This is where it required most. Let us analyze our defense budget of rupees 600 crores. Full stop.